Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. We have reviewed and tested in another video the CHUZHAO, this small little digital camera, and well, I was pretty impressed by the quality of such cheap and affordable camera that I thought, what if we can actually add some new features to it? And what I'm referring to is this. This is a smartphone lens kit that is using these little lenses with the 70mm thread, and they're using actually this clamp to being able to attach to your smartphone. Now, of course, if we look at the thickness of a smartphone and the CHUZHAO, well, you see the difference. So what I want to try to do today is, what if we can modify this one in a way that we can still clamp or attach to our camera. We can actually cut here and then paste on, glue it on the camera itself. Some of this clamp actually has the internal ring that is removable, so it would be even better as an option to consider. Unfortunately, not this one, where, as you could see, it's just a normal piece, right? So what I want to do, well, I'm going to use this heat gun. And the idea is that we will try to modify the plastic here. We warm it up so that when it will open, will practically be bigger than the space between the two legs of the clamp. The worm of the leg will be bigger and will allow us potentially to be clamped here on the CHUZHAO. I'm not really sure how much this would be feasible, but well, let's give it a try. So while warming it up actually didn't help with the final results, because I can, yes, keep it this way with one hand, so it's still kind of convenient to do, and worst case I can attach on the side of the camera instead of the lens itself, but it's not covering the lens in the right way because there is still some space in between. So unfortunately we need to do the solution that I wasn't so happy to. It means we need to cut this. Yes, let's do it. After we file the holder here, we need to put on the camera like this, and we need to stop it with some glue. We need to make sure that the lens is fully clear and the holder is in the center, and then we will use some of this glue. This things that made me choose this one versus other is that it says it's like a gel, so should be easy to put around and shouldn't go inside the lens, because if it goes we mess up, and I don't want to think about that at all. So let's start just a little bit. if you want to do a double check, it should still be okay this way. You turn it on, and you can confirm that there are no vignetting around, so it's in the middle. It's put properly. Turn it off. Well, in this case, let's just wait that it will dry very well, and then we will start putting our lens and test it out. We're out. I hope that there is not too much wind noise, but we are starting with the fisheye lens. Probably the fisheye lens is one of the easiest to understand what type of effect the camera can make with the lens attached. So it says to be 198 degree lens. Of course it's not, but it still have enough impact to create an interesting fisheye lens effect, as you could see in the picture now. It's super easy to mount, just screw in and you just have to enjoy. Luckily, we don't have too much of the lens obstructing the original lens itself. We just have a small amount on the top left. That is more than acceptable in my opinion. Okay, the next lens that we are going to use is the Kaleidoscope lens. I have two of them, one with 3 and one with 5 images blended in one. What I have put at the moment is the one with 5 to make it a little bit more extreme. Okay, I'm not a big fan of the Kaleidoscope options, but for the purpose of the video we continue with that, and we have changed with the option with 3 faces. Let's shoot with this now. Yeah, the Kaleidoscope didn't last too much. It's I don't think it's matching my style. So I'm moving back to this one. This is actually a combination of 2 lenses. It's 0.65 times wide and 15 times macro. Let's see how it performs. A couple of important points. The fact that there is a 0.65 wide lens on top of the macro allows to focus on infinite. If we remove the lens, we can only focus on macro. So I keep it as is to allow me to go macro, and so close up and wide at the same time. But if I want to go really close up, I will simply remove the wide lens, as I did for a couple of shoots on a bench and with some flowers. And that's all for me for today. There are still a couple of filters that I may want to try here in the kit that I have purchased, but I felt like it's more for example, when there is a LED light, so in the night, but I'm actually really satisfied with this option. Again, remember that the model that I have purchased now, sorry, there is a little bit of wind. The model that I have purchased now may be a little bit more expensive in terms of lens kit, but I have 10 different combinations, and all the lens are made by glass and metal. You can go as cheap as you want for the $1 store, where you can still find some of these lenses, because all of them has this 70mm thread, so they are universal. That's all for me for today. Hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments down below what's the next test you want me to do, and if you have any question related to this specific one. Thank you for watching, and as usual, till next time, stay click. Bye.